My name is Punya Gupta. I am today teaching you class 8 maths lesson 2 linear equation in one variable. First is algebraic expression. I am giving you some examples of it. 2x or 2n minus 3 or 3xy plus 5. These are the some examples for algebraic expression. The equation which has the highest power of an variable is 1 equals a linear equation. Plus, I am giving you some examples. 2n plus 1, 3y plus minus 1. These are some examples for linear equation. A linear equation. When any variable has power more than 1, it is not a linear equation. I am going to give you some examples of not a linear equation, like y plus y square or 3 plus m square. These are the some examples of not a linear equation. We have to solve this. Now, we will shift variables, the numerical values at the RHS and the other values at LHS. Now we have to subtract 2n from 2n equals 3 plus 2. So n equals 3 plus 2, 5. This will be 2 minus 1 equals 1, so n. So it's n equals 5. So we have this linear equation. So now, what is 2? The role of 2. The role of 2 is coefficient of n. Coefficient of n. 2 is coefficient of n and n is a variable. It's a variable. Then what is this whole? This is LHS, left hand side, your left hand side, and this 7. Now this is the RHS, this is the right hand side. Okay, and in total, what is all of this? All of this makes a linear equation. It makes a linear equation. Okay, it is a equation. EQUATION. It is an equation. Reducing equations to simple forms. So we have to reduce this equation into simple form. So for reducing it, we will multiply it by 6. So now this 3, 6x plus 1 plus 1 into 6 equals here 6 upon x minus 3 multiplied by 6. So we will cut this as 1 and this as 2 and this as 1 and this as 1. So now we will write it like this: 12x plus 2 plus 6 equals x minus 3. Now we will shift the non-variable numbers at RHS and the variables at LHS. So let's start shifting it. Now we will shift 6 and x. We will add this and put a sign of minus, and here we will subtract it. So it will be 11x equals 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 2, 11 minus 11, 11x. So now we will shift it here. So 11, this will be the denominator, 11, the value of x. So finding the value of x, we have to first shift 11 here, and x equals, this will be the denominator 11 and this will be the numerator minus 11. So x equals minus 1 as its value. This is the value of equals 5 plus 3x. So now we wrote the question again. Now we shifted 5x minus 3 because it was plus here. So we made it minus. Now it equals 5 minus 9 because we shifted 9 here and it was in plus, it became minus. Now 2x equals minus 4. So now x equals minus 4 divided by 2. So answer came 2 and it was in minus. So x equals minus 2. Now we have to replace x by 2, minus 2 in the question. Now we have to solve it. It will be 5 into minus 2 plus 9 equals 5 plus 3 into minus 2. Now 10 minus 10 plus 9 equals 5 minus 6. Now minus 1. Here also the answer is minus 1. So hence prove this answer is correct. LHS is equal to RHS. So fourth question is 4z plus 3 equals 6 plus 2z. We wrote the question again. Now the basic step is to shift 2 here and it will convert into minus because it was a plus. So now it equals 6. Here it was 3, so we shifted here and turned into minus. Now 2z equals 3 because 4 minus 2 equals 2 and 6 minus 3 equals 3. So now z equals 3 upon 2. We shifted 2 at the denominator side. So we will going to check now what if we shift z from 2 upon 3 upon 2 from z. Now 4 into 3 upon 2 plus 3 equals 6 plus 2 into 3 upon 2. Now here we go. It equals, we will cut 2 and 4 from 2. So it will be 1 and it will be 2. So now 6 here at the denominator side and 3 will be right here. And now 6 is here. So we will cut this as this is 2. So we will cut this, and this is also 2. So we will cut this also. So it will be 1 and 1. So here also 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9 equals 6 plus 3, 9. So hence proof that LHS is equal to RHS. So it's proven. So fifth question is 2x minus 1 equals 14 minus x. So now here we go. We wrote the question again. Now 2x plus x, because we shifted it, it was in minus, it became in plus. So now it's 14 plus 1 because here it was in minus. So the same rule applies. So 3x equals 15. So x equals 15 divided by 3. So the answer came 5. So x equals 5. Now we are replacing 5x from 5. 5 from it. So 2 into 5 minus 1 equals 14 minus 5. So now here it is 2, 5 are 10 minus 1. Here 14 minus 5, 9. So 10 minus 1, 9. 14 minus 5, 9. So hence prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So sixth question is 8x plus 4 equals 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now we wrote the question again. Now we will multiply 3 into x and into minus 1 and keep it same plus 7. Now we shifted 3x here and we added minus 3 and 7. So answer came 4 plus 4. And here it was plus 4. We brought it here on the RHS side from LHS side. So it became minus 4. So 5x equals 4 minus 4, 0. Here 5x equals 0. So x equals 0.5 equals 0. Because 0 can't be multiplied and divided. So now we are putting 0 at the place of x in the question and solving it again. Now 8 into 0 plus 4 here, and it will be 3 into 0 and 3 into minus 1. So now here it will be 0 plus 4, here 0 minus 3 plus 7. So here it will become 4. And here it will become 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence x is equal to 0. Proof. So guys, the seventh question is x equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. So we wrote the question again and then x equal to 4x upon 5 plus 4 upon 5 into 10. Now we will cut 5 and 10 because they come in one table. 5 on the 5 and 10 on 5 to the 10. Now x equals 4x upon 5 plus 8. Now we shifted this here and it became minus. So x minus 4x upon 5. Now we multiplied x by 5 by taking the denominator 1. 1 into 5 equals 5. 5. So 5x equals 8. So now we the denominator of x is 5. So 5 into x equals 5x. So the denominator became 5x minus 4x. 4 upon 5 equals into 50. Now 5 times of 50. We will cut 5 and 50. Here 10 into 4. 40 equals 10 into 4. So 40 equals 40. So LHS and RHS are equal. Hence proved the value of x is 40. So guys, ninth question is 2y plus 5 upon 3 equals 26 upon 3 minus 5. So we wrote the question again. Now we will shift y here and add it because it was subtracting here. It was in minus. So it became in plus. Equals 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. Here the problem was that it is in plus and here it will be minus. So 3y equals 26 minus 5 upon 3. So 3y equals 21 upon 3. So y equals 7 upon 3 and 3. Now y equals 7 upon 3. Here we will replace y from 7 upon 3. So 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 equals uh, 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. So now 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 equals 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. So the answer of it will be 14 plus 5 equals 19 upon 3. 26 minus 7 equals 19 upon 3. So hence proved that LHS and RHS are equal. So the value of y is 7 upon 3. So the 10th question is 3m equals 5m minus 8 upon 5. So now 3m equals 5m. We wrote the question again. Here we shifted m here, it was in plus, it converted into minus. So now 3m minus 5m equals minus 8 upon 5. So now minus 2m equals 8 minus 8m upon 5. So minus minus cut. Here we got 2m and 8 upon 5. M equals 8 upon 5 into 1 by 2. So 2 and 8 will be cutted. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 1 and 4. So m equal to 4 upon 5. Now for proving it correct, we will replace the value. So here we will switch the m from the value of m. Now 3 into 4 upon 5 equals 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. So now 3 into 4, 12 upon 5. 5 cut, so 1 upon 4 upon 1. Here minus 8 upon 5. So now 12 upon 5 equals 20 minus 8 upon 5. So here 12 upon 5 equals 10 upon 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proof M is equal to. We wrote the question again and now we shifted the terms containing x at LHS side and the terms containing not x at RHS side. So we need a common denominator for this. So we got a common denominator which will be 6 because 3 into 2 equals 6. And we will get a common denominator which is 6. Here we have to do 17 upon 6 minus 7. So now here we will multiply x into 6 equals 6x and minus 8 into 2 equals 16x and plus 5 into 3 equals 15x equals 17 minus 42 upon 6. So now 5x upon 6. So now we got the answer 5x because here we added 15 and 6 and subtracted it by 16x. So now we got 5x and the denominator is 6 equals 17 minus 42 is minus 25 upon 6. Now 6 will be cutted by this 6 and now it's 5x equals minus 25. So we will divide 5 by minus 25. So the answer will come minus 5. So x equals minus 5. So guys, fourth question is x minus 5 upon 3 equals x minus 3 upon 5. So we wrote the question and we can't shift whole of this number and whole of this number. So we will multiply 3 into both of this number and 5 into both of this number. So it will be 5 into x minus 5 equals 3 into x minus 3. So So now here 5x minus 25, because x into 5 equals 5x and 5 into 5 25, so minus 25 equals 3x, because 3 into x 3x, and 3 into minus 3 equals 9. So we shifted 3x here and 25 here. So now what is the answer? Here 2x and here 9 minus 25. So it will be 16. X equals 16 divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is, where does 16 come in 2's table? 8. So x equals 8. So guys, fifth question is 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 equals 2 upon 3 minus t. So we wrote the question again. We wanted a common LCM of 4 and 3. So we multiplied both and the LCM became 12. Now we divided 4 divided by 12. So 3. Now we are going to do 3 into 3t minus 2. Minus, we did same with the 3. So 4 into 2t plus 3 equals 2 upon 3 minus t. Now 90 minus 6 minus 80 minus 12 equals 12 into 2 upon 3 minus t. So now t minus 18 equals, we can cut this 3 and 12. So 4 into 2, 8, and it will be 20 only. We will multiply this into 12. Now t minus 18 equals 8 minus 20. Now we will shift 20 here. T plus 20 equals 8 plus 18. Now 13t equals 26. So t equals 26 divided by 13. So t equals to 2. So guys, the sixth question is m minus 1 upon 2 equals 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. So we wrote the question again, and m minus m upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2 equals 1 minus m upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. Now we will shift the numbers containing m at LHS side and the numbers not containing m at RHS side. Now m minus m upon 2 plus m upon 3 equals 1 plus m 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now we need a common denominator, which will be 2 into 3, 6. So 1 into 6, 6. 2 divided by 6, 3. So minus 3m plus 3 to the 6, so 2m equals 6 plus 4 minus 3 upon 6. Now here it will be 5m, because 6 plus 2 equals 8 and 8 minus 3 equals 5. 5m upon 6 equals 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 7 upon 6. 6 cut. Now here 5m equals 7. So m equals 7 upon 5. So guys, the second question is simplify and solve the following linear equations. The seventh question, 3 into t minus 3 equals 5 into 2t plus 1. Now we wrote the question again, as we multiplied 3 into t, 3t, and 3 into minus 3, minus 9 equals 10 t, because 5 into 2, 10. So it will be 10t, and 5 into 1, 5. So now we got the answers, and we will shift 10t here and subtract it from 3t equals we will add 5 plus 9 because 9 was a negative, it became positive. So now here minus 70 equals 14. So minus t equals 14 divided by 7. 7 to the 14. So t equals minus 2. Next question is 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equals 0. We wrote the question again, and here it's 15y minus 60 because 15 into 4 equals 60 and it was minus, so minus 60. Minus 2y minus 2 into y equals minus 2y plus 18 because 2 into 9 equals 18 and minus minus plus. And here plus 5 into y 5y plus 30 equals 0. Now we will shift all the numbers containing y at LHS side and all the numbers containing not y at RHS side. Now 15y minus 2y plus 5y equals 15 plus 5 20y minus 2 equals 18y. And here we will add 18 and 30. It will be 48 and 48 minus 60. So it will be 12. So now y equals, because we will divide this as shift 18 here and divide it by 2. 2 divided by 6 is 12 divided by 6 is 2 and 18 divided by 6 is
start.
So guys, ninth question is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equals 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. So guys, 10th question is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equals 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So we wrote the question again and we converted 0.25 into fraction form and multiplied it into 4f. So now 25 4s are 100. We converted this. 4 ones are 4. So it's f. Here it will be f. Now 25 4s are 100. So 3 upon 4 equals here the 5 upon 100. So 5 20s are 100. So 20 divided by 10 equals 2. So 1 upon 2 f minus, we cutted it again, and 9 upon 20. Now 4f minus 3 upon 4 and 10f equals 10f minus 9 upon 20. So we will cross multiply this. We will multiply 4 by 10f minus 9 and 20 by 4f minus 3. Now it will become 80f minus 60 equals 40f minus 36. Now we will shift digits containing f at LHS side and the digits containing not f at RHS side. So 80f minus 40f equals minus 36 plus 60. So 40f equals 24. F equals 24 upon 40. We can cut this both. So 2 12s are 24, 2 20s are 40, and 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20. So 3 upon 5 or 0.06 is the answer. Guys, for more such content, like this video and subscribe to the channel, and for science and other subjects, you can also check the playlist.